Let's go through the actions from this class. Surah Al An'aam, ayah number 46 to 70. The first action, we should only discuss authentic Islamic knowledge and reject all other propaganda. Disbelievers associate things with Islam that are not true to reject it and prove their point. So this used to happen at that point in time. They were saying multiple things to the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that Allah subhanahu wa taala himself revealed in the Quran. Tell them that this is not what I have been saying. I do not have the knowledge of ghaib or the knowledge of the unseen. I do not possess the treasures of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So all of these things, they used to say that the Holy Prophet never ever said himself, and he only used to share the guidance and the revelation that he received from them. So this is also happening today. Disbelievers associate a lot of propaganda, a lot of things with Islam that we just have to reject, and we have to strictly follow only authentic Islamic knowledge that has been revealed to us in the Holy Quran and explained by the Hadith and the Sunnah of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Action number 2, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the only support, constant support that we have in this life and hereafter. Even before, I mean, we enter this world after, I mean, throughout our entire life, and then once we die, and then later on and on the day of judgment, the only support, the only protector will be Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. All of the people that we have around us, all of the network of people, the friends, the family, the parents, all of these people, they keep on coming and going in our lives. Yes, some of them stay with us for long. For example, our parents, they live with us for many, many years. However, eventually either we pass away or they pass away. So these relationships get broken, right? Friends change, colleagues change, work colleagues change. So this support network, yes, we should ask for support and we should connect with these people. However, what we need to understand is our first priority should be to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and establish a strong relationship with Him, because this is a relationship that will last with us not just in this life, but also in the hereafter. And final action that we discussed today, continuously ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for His forgiveness. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has prescribed mercy upon Himself for those who make a mistake out of ignorance. So if you have made a mistake that you have done, that you did not really intend it to. So it's not like a planned mistake or a planned thing. Okay, fine, let me do this thing bad and then I'll go pray and I'll ask for forgiveness. No, it doesn't work this way. We have to make sure that first of all, we try to protect ourselves from any evil act or any mistake. And then if it happens out of our control, and it may happen and will happen, then we always go back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because one of the things that shaitan does in our minds is, you're such an evil person. You continue to do this mistake. Why you can even go in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Forget it. Because this way is of shaitan. He's the one who is arrogant. He's the one who didn't ask for forgiveness. The sunnah of Adam alayhi salam is that he made a mistake and he taught us the dua and the prayer. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala taught him, and it was revealed in the Quran as well, to ask for forgiveness. That yes, we have made a mistake and we have done zulm on ourselves. We have been cruel to ourselves. So, but still we should continue to ask for forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is very important for us to hold throughout our lives, and it is the only help and support that we will get in the afterlife. So this is the end of today's lecture.